Hey guys, Joe here again. Had a lot of requests to do a review on how those guys are doing still. Those are the Amazon Barrina LED lights that I had in an earlier video. So we'll go over those tonight, and then we'll go over that tool cabinet right there that I just got. We're sitting at a little more than 5 months on these cheap Amazon LED lights, and they are still kicking. I haven't had any issues with any of them. As you can see, they put out a fair amount of light in here. It is a pretty pleasant place to work. I do have a couple extra, just in case anything goes wrong. Because at $55, or I think they're down to $50 for a pack of 6, it's pretty reasonable to have some laying around that are spares. Haven't got around, I was going to shorten those cords up, that's still on my plan. But yeah, no issues. They have a decent, got a little delayed startup, but a lot of LED lights do that. So as you can hear, just about half a second or so. But yeah, they've worked down to 0 degrees in here. No flicker or anything. All of them have worked without an issue. So that's just a quick little update for everyone who's been asking. I'm pretty pleased with these lights. I don't know that I would buy them for the next garage we're doing. See, this is just a little single car that came with the house when I purchased it. And I'll be building a probably 1,000 square foot shop or so over on the other side of the driveway, and I'll probably do something a little higher quality on that. No reason other than peace of mind, and just I want a different looking fixture in a finished out garage. This was just more of a temporary hold me over deal, and for the $110 I have invested in it, I'm pretty happy, and I don't think there's going to be much better out there for that price range at the moment. So yeah, any other questions you guys have on them, just comment down below, and I'll try to answer them. But yeah, on to that guy. Alright, so I ordered this NewAge Products Bold 3.0 series little tool cabinet. Ordered it right around Thanksgiving, and it was shipped via FedEx, and as you can see, came a little damaged. Actually bought this one from Sam's Club. It was about $155 on sale at the time. Talked to them, and they were willing to return it. All I had to do was drop it off at the local Sam's Club. And being with the holidays and got a little busy at work, I just kind of put it off and did not return it. So that's my fault, not NewAge or Sam's or anyone else. They would have took care of that. So what we're going to do here is straighten that little corner out as much as we can. And here's what came with the tool cabinet. Alright, so it looks like we got our corner feet, the leveling feet, and some hardware to bolt it all together, and a couple keys. So we'll straighten out that corner there as much as we can first and get this assembled, and then it's gonna get tucked under one of the benches. Try that one there. Alright, so have it all assembled there. Pretty pain-free. That little fix on the corner isn't the prettiest, but the lower drawer opens and closes fine now. Fits in that under that workbench pretty nice. I really just got one of these just to kind of see the quality first. I probably would go with the Pro Series in the future. The Bold is their cheapest line and is like 24 gauge steel. And you can feel it. Pro is supposed to be like 18 or 19 gauge, which is closer to what some higher end tool cabinets are. But I mean, for $155, it serves its purpose, and I like the look of them. So yeah, that is it for tonight. And thanks for watching. As I said earlier, the lights are still going, and yeah, appreciate you guys killing a little time with me tonight. And if you haven't done so yet, hit the subscribe button. We'll keep posting some more videos up. Thanks, guys.